instrumental. Now skeleton. So last breathing area choose, right?
Rapid flow create S3 sound. No auricular systole creates S4 sound. mechanical systole cause F4 sound. Abnormal heart sound is known as cardiac murmur. And continue here, please. Carry on. Abnormal heart sound is known as cardiac murmur. And abnormal heart sound is mostly heard due to valvular problems. Valvular problems. Here, majority in the all the valves, you know that 6 valves are present here in the embryo, and 4 valves are present in the adult. 2 AV valves, mitral, tricuspid, and 2 semilunar valves, pulmonary and aortic. Majority of the all the valves, mitral valve is mostly affected. Okay, majority of the all the valves, mitral valve is mostly affected, bicuspid valve is mostly affected, and stiffness. We have learned this. Stiffness of cusp of valve is known as stenosis, valvular stenosis. We have learned this in the NCERT lecture. And reverse opening of valves, it is known as regurgitation. Stiffness of the valve is known as stenosis, and reverse opening of the valve is known as regurgitation, and here valvular surgery required. So with the help of the surgery, valves are repaired or might be valves are replaced. Fine. Normal blood pressure, you know. Systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure 100 to 140 mmHg. But on an average, we say that 120 mmHg. Whereas diastolic pressure is 70 to 90 mmHg, but on an average we say that 80 mmHg. Normal blood pressure systolic, that is 100 to 140, On an average, we take 120, and diastolic pressure 70 to 90. Average, we take 80. The most important, pulse pressure means systolic blood pressure minus diastolic blood pressure. So generally you know that when we take the range 170 to 140/90, it is the normal tension, normal blood pressure. Minimum systolic 100, maximum systolic 140, minimum diastolic 70, maximum diastolic 90. So we take the range 170 to 140/90. In between this, person got whatever blood pressure, it is normal. We say that normal tension. And if the blood pressure is less than 170 mmHg, so it is known as hypotension, and more than this known as hypertension. But pulse pressure, when we take the average of pulse pressure, systolic pressure average 120, and diastolic pressure 80. So 120 minus 80, that is 40 mmHg normal range. Honestly, એક વાર સમજાવવાનું હોય. Thank you. સર અહીંયા ડિસ્ટર્બ થાય છે. તમારે બેસીને સાંજના 6 વાગ્યા સુધી સાંભળવાનું. અમારા ગળા ફાટી જાય. ઈચ્છા હોય તો બહાર બેસો. આ બતાવવાનું મને કોઈ કીધું નથી કે આવું બતાવો. કઈ દે છે ડાયરેક્ટ આ એકદમ સેમ્પલ છે, જોઈ લો. એક વાર, બે વાર, ત્રણ વાર, પછી આમ નથી મને ગમતું 4 વખત કેવું. So average we take that 40 mmHg, but when you take this one, the range becomes 30 to 50. 100 minus 70, 30. 140 minus 90, that is 50. So that is pulse pressure. Hypertension, we have learned that. चलो फाइन, પછી જોઈ લઈશું. હા અહીંયા સ્ટોપ.